Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Goldshell E-DG1M mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 15.8 kilograms and gross weight about 18.4 kilograms. Goldshell E-DG1M supports the Scrypt algorithm, allowing you to mine Litecoin, Dogecoin and BEL cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 3.4 GH/s. Its power consumption is 1800 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. In actual testing, when the hash rate reaches 3.25 GH/s, the miner's power consumption is approximately 1800 watts. The noise level is around 52 decibels when close to the machine, and it drops to 47 decibels at a slightly greater distance. The temperature at the exhaust vent is 78 degrees Celsius, while the surface temperature is about 39 degrees Celsius. Overall, this miner performs very well in terms of power consumption and noise levels. It's also stronger than the Ice River home miner in terms of thermal design. How to set up the miner so that it works properly? Open the Goldshell official website, click on Support, click on the following tab to find the miner we are currently connected to. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, and then save it. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income and so on. How to configure the miner via Wi-Fi: screw on a Wi-Fi signal antenna, enter the system settings, connect to the local Wi-Fi. After connecting successfully, click the logo above. The system will automatically jump to the new miner background interface. At this point, the miner can disconnect from the network cable and connect to the miner via Wi-Fi to work normally. Based on the price and mining difficulty of Litecoin, Dogecoin and BEL on November 12, 2024, the daily earnings of the Goldshell E-DG1M 3.4G miner will be approximately $13.54. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. Summary: Goldshell E-DG1M 3.4G miner is a high arithmetic power, low power consumption, silent miner. The miner supports Litecoin mining, which is the largest arithmetic power in the current Litecoin plus Dogecoin plus BEL home silent miner. The miner is modeled like a computer mainframe, with a fashionable and beautiful design, and a good income, which can be adapted to mining in the home, company, and other environments. Click on the buy link below the video to purchase directly. Buy miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.